Hey, I'm Officer Harris. I work here at the Johns Creek Police Department. So as far as what's in a patrol car, we have a number of different things. Obviously we have our radio, which we use to communicate with other officers, as well as our dispatch. We have our computer, which shows our calls that we're assigned to on our computer-aided dispatch system. Also, the patrol car holds various gear, including SWAT gear and specialty equipment. We have blue lights, of course, which you may see on the side of the road when we're conducting traffic stops or working a crash investigation. The rear also has amber lights, which we use just mainly for safety. It alerts motorists to move over if they're coming up on our rear. These vehicles are pursuit rated, which just means that they operate at a higher level than what would be regularly available to most consumers. And that's obviously for a reason. That's for safety, for our safety and for the safety of everybody on the road. They also have these push bumpers, as you can see, large push bumpers in case we may need them. The tires are run flat, and we also have vaults in the back which hold various weapon systems. So if you'd like to learn more about the Johns Creek Police Department, feel free to visit our social media pages. And if you're interested in joining the police department here, visit our website at johnscreekga.gov.